Okay. We're talking about excess demand, shortage. This is the market right now. Demand, supply, equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity. So if the price is below the equilibrium price here, so we say that this is why, because quantity demanded here and quantity supplied here. So quantity demanded greater than quantity supplied. So that's why we say that it is below the equilibrium, but quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied. So now which one is A, B, C, D? Can it be D or not? Because here quantity supplied greater than quantity demanded. This is a case of excess supply, not excess demand. This is a case of surplus, but surplus is above the equilibrium. So D can never be the answer. C, above equilibrium, can never be the answer. B, above equilibrium, can never be the answer. Below equilibrium, yes, and quantity demanded greater than quantity supplied. Right, guys? Then what is the correct answer?
A.
A. Now you understand?
Yes.
Good. So automatically, you know, this is like real case exam type question that I'm going to be testing. I'm not going to give you them detail, okay, define, shortage, define. So no, I'm going to be asking the real applications of the concepts. This is how I'm going to test you. Okay, so officially we ended with our chapter here. So summary is that equilibrium is determined by the intersection of demand and supply. At equilibrium price, the quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. This behavior of buyers and sellers naturally drive the market towards equilibrium wherever the price right now, except either above or either below, eventually it moves back towards equilibrium. So to analyze how any event influences market, we use supply and demand diagram. Like we also talk about that. In market economies, price are the signals that guide economic decisions, thereby allocate resources. What does it mean? It means by looking at the price, supplier will allocate their funds at how much we produce this product and how much we open new factories, how much we employ new workers, how much employment we need to, you know, hire people, and buyers will buy the product by looking at their income, budget, this kind of stuff, right? So price is a signal. Price basically signals that how much resources are going to allocate for this product. So there is an after class activity here. So I'm going to be giving you that links as well. All you need to do, go to these links and click. All you have to do, choose any boycott product and you draw the graph and all the stuff. You will realize that what will happen in future, whether supply decreases or supply increases, what happened to the price and this kind of stuff. So there's going to be assignment 1. And remember, assignment 1, how you are going to submit it. You can upload it on our not WeChat group as private message. You can send me as a private message, not group. Sorry about that. I will change it. So you can also email me because we are not accepting this on Blackboard because I want you handwritten, not typed. Everyone must, you know, it is must follow the instruction of handwritten If you have EPEN like me, you can use the EPEN. You can use the EPEN on the same, Word file, and you can just write it down and save it, send it to me. Remember, before submission, rename the file to the name, ID. You just write on micro, and then assignment 1 or 2, or assignment A1 or A2, whatsoever. Right? So your name, your ID, subject name, and it must be a Word file. Now, why Word file? Because this is my Surface Book, and this Surface Book Pen, Microsoft Surface Book. So it is very handy. This product that I'm using, the pen, is very handy on Microsoft products, but not on PDF. It's going to be very hard to check on PDF. So this is, I would like one consideration, that please submit your file on Word format. Right?
Sir, should we hand it after the vacation or the next Tuesday?
Can you repeat?
Should we hand the assignments after the vacation, 1 week vacation, or should we hand it the next Tuesday?
After the vacation, because we will be having our class. Next class is going to be, I think, after the vacation.
Yes.
Yes. After the vacation, we will be having our class. So of course, but remember this one. Submit your assignment before the class, not during the class or not after the class, because I would be uploading its solution before the class, before we start the class, because we will be talking about some question and queries in assignment, and I would be uploading the solution. And if I receive the file during the class or after the class, whether email or something, I will not accept that assignment. Remember this one, your assignment is 30% of your overall evaluation. 30% is like our midterm, our final, and our assignment. Many of you,
Sir,
if you don't give this assignment's weightage, then you are losing money and you are losing marks as well. Yes, Lancelot.
I was wondering, why does it have to be handwritten?
Because in order to maintain justice to this course and to the students, and also equity, so that everyone should be treated samely. It's not like that one person just solve the assignment and other person, people, they just copy it, change the formatting, and that's it. So I don't like this.
All right then.
Plus, we need to draw some graphs and all those stuff, and it's going to be hard to find out, on Turnitin, then the plagiarism and all those stuff. So if you are handwritten, there are two benefits. You know how to write it down, and you clear all the confusion and all the stuff. Plus, I can easily maintain equity and justice in the class, so that those who are really putting their efforts to in this course, they should be rewarded. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have one more question regarding law of supply and demand together. All you have to do, okay, I do this and you will do the next question as a breakout room activity. So in each case you need to draw a graph to find out new equilibrium. So how will the following changes affect the market price of wheat flour? Market price of wheat flour. So it means we are talking about the market of wheat flour. Assuming that market is initially in equilibrium. If this is not even written, automatically assume that right now market is in equilibrium. first of all, people consume more bread. What happened? So these two are different, not one question. This is A part, this is B part. So what happened here? People consume more bread. So right now we draw the wheat, flour market, right? This is demand, this is supply, and right now quantity in equilibrium, price in equilibrium, 1, 1. Now what happened? People consume more bread. What will happen? More bread. People will purchase more flour, right? So this is the case of demand or supply.
Demand.
Demand will shift to the
Right.
demand, shift to the right, find out new equilibrium. So demand curve is this one, demand shift to the right. Here we go. We don't have any other, so here we have a new equilibrium, that is this is for sure. Equilibrium move from E1 to E2, and result is you have to write result like this. What happened to the new quantity and new price? Price increase, quantity also. This is the result. Must write it down like this, so that whenever I'm checking assignment and you know all those, so it's clearly understandable that okay, what happened to the new price. So some students, they just write it down like this, okay, new equilibrium price increase, please make it highlight, you know, that what happened to the price increase, quantity also increase. So don't write, you know, too much, you know, sentences. Make to the point. This is the to the point answer. We have to show the graph, shift, directions, right? This direction, shift direction, and result. That's it. The B, the discovery of a new, cheaper way of milling flour. So we are now seeing these in isolation, not together. If together, then both demand and supply are going to be shift together. In isolation, this is part A, part B. In isolation, so this is the case of wheat flour, market, this is equilibrium, this is equilibrium quantity, equilibrium price, this is one equilibrium, and what happened now? New technology come, and what happened? There is more wheat in the market. So supply, technology always increases the supply, otherwise people will not accept that technology. So new price decrease, quantity. What is the result? Price decrease, quantity increase.